Hello. Now we're looking at spreadsheet questions, and it's worth, before we start, just to have a look at a few things that they say here. Use formula and/or functions for all calculations in a spreadsheet. A lot of learners leave it blank rather than put a wrong answer. That's foolish. You need to make sure you write something in there. If you have a correct cell reference or you have a correct function that doesn't quite work because you don't understand it, you can still get marks. But what will happen if you put an empty cell is you definitely won't get marks. Also, use absolute cell references only where necessary. The videos will show exactly how to use this, so we'll come to that later. Inserts formula functions in such a manner that the correct results will still be obtained. You maybe can work out the answers yourself, but do not write answers into cells. You will get 0 marks and you will also waste time, so make sure you don't do that. And also what you can do is you can use cells outside of the main table on your spreadsheet, and you can make sure that you can use those and put them into the final answer that's in the cell that's required. So you don't have to write a massive formula with different functions inside it and very complicated. You can do the separate blocks somewhere else and you can still get full marks. The other thing to be careful about here is making sure that you open the actual spreadsheet itself. So if you think about the spreadsheet as it is, let's just see. So if you look at that, this is the spreadsheet that they're talking about, so you need to make sure that you open that with the spreadsheet. But then the other thing that people often make mistakes with is the worksheet. So if you actually look, we're looking at the bottom here for worksheet. I've had learners who have answered questions, missed questions out completely because they were looking to open a spreadsheet rather than a worksheet. So look at these tabs at the bottom and make sure you get those correct.